this is Precious. Today we're going to interview few students about their experiences for today's event. Let's go! Hello ma'am, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
May we ask you a question about the Inside Math event right now?
Yeah, sure.
Can you choose a number from 1 to 11?
Number 1.
Okay, so here's your question na. How do you feel about the Inside Math event that is happening right now?
I feel excited and overwhelming because they have many events right now and also they do it simultaneously. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you.
Morning. So we have a question for you today. So how do you feel about the upcoming Inside Math event?
So sa ako na kay first time na mag-attend ingon ani. So daghan po di activity to. So activity and then kuan siya nang daghan malingaw nga ingon ani na abot ni nga activity sa atong school. And daghan po ta siguro ma-learns about ani nga program karon. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Yeah.
Sige, sir. Here we are for an interview, sir. So, I hope okay ra sa imo. So, unsa na imong ngalan, sir?
Dahil si Edilberto Ipagas.
Unsa imong program, sir? Kanang BSED?
Base cream.
Criminology. Okay, sir. So, our question for you is unsa imong favorite subject, sir? English, math, science, or Filipino?
Filipino lang. Kay,
Nga naman, sir?
Maong yun na itong di kanan nga simple ra. Okay ra, simple.
Okay. So, para sa inuhan na simple ang Filipino.
Mara.
Okay. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you, Pod.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, that's good to know. So, may I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Melka Ninya G. Estrada from BSED Science 1B.
Okay, thank you. So, since we are celebrating today the Inside Math celebration, so what activities have you joined today?
Kuan man kanang nahuman namong kuan activity so amo kay volcanic eruption.
Okay, so good morning. So, what's your name?
Ako rin si Hope Misery de Granaderos.
From what year and section?
2A, BSED Science.
Okay, so I want you to pick numbers 1 to 11 and answer the question.
7.
So, number 7 is, do you think events like Inside Math have students learn better? Why or why not?
Yes, I believe that Inside Math can help students learn more because okay naman Bisaya. Namo ko uban kanang ilang course is like Filipino and all. Tapos may interesting po tula sa science baga na mga experiment nilang makita ang tuklayan ni karon nilang makita nga na mga pa-bubbles, na mga pa-electric na tudra, na mga dissection. So ma-encourage po na uban like mag-curious sila kung sa mga sulod sa science and Inside Math.
Okay, so thank you, Hope.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. So, how do you feel about the Inside Math celebration?
Being a student with CPC, I am very excited. Also, I am a Filipino major. Inside Math is part na yun na siya sa ato ang pag-celebrate diri sa eskwelahan. And I'm very excited kay daghan kay mga activities nga nangahitabo diri sa school and dili lang siya for pageant, broadcasting, na po yung mga activities like experiments and also kaning like atong mga fire and rubrics. Very exciting siya especially sa kaning mga experiments kay hands-on mo siya nga ma-experience compare ka nang sa mga magtako bitaw sa subjects nga discussion lang. Then karon is ano na siya, hands-on na siya nga gakahitabo, and ano siya, best experience mo siya nga way back sa high school, wala pa kayo siya na experience mga students, but now, karon sa kuan, here in college, gaka-experience siya sa mga students, and di lang siya activities, but fun siya para sa mga students.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, good morning na.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how are you?
I'm doing well today. Thank you so much for asking. But I'm really tired, but it's alright.
Laban. Okay, so what advice would you give to students participating in the competition?
My advice is that students should be competitive. They should know where their skills are and showcase it confidently. They should not be ashamed on their skills, but showcase it to other people confidently and in a humble manner.
Thank you for that wonderful ma'am kanang advice. Thank you.